messages, long messages we can say even cannot be retained for a long time in our memory, while in written communication they can be retained for a long time in our memory, as they can be referred from time to time, as we have recorded it, as we have maintained a record of this written communication. We can refer that particular that particular message from time to time, and we can keep it in our memory. Next point is authenticity. Oral communication is less authentic and less reliable in comparison to written communication. Authenticity is not there, as no record of it is there, while written communication is more authentic and more reliable. If we are talking in terms of evidence, we can say that in oral communication we have no proof or evidence, while in written communication, as it is written, it is open to verification. We have proofs and evidences are there. If we are talking in terms of responsibility, we can say that in oral communication responsibility can be fixed, and in written communication responsibilities of sender and receiver cannot be fixed. Possibility of asking questions. In oral communication, questions can be asked to remove doubts, fears and apprehensions, and in written communication we do not have any possibility of asking questions to remove doubts and fears. Audience size. In oral communication, the size of audience is comparatively small. In written communication, the size of audience is large because they are geographically scattered, and we can convey message to all of them. If we are talking in terms of knowledge level, we can say that in oral communication, even illiterate people can participate in oral communication, while in written communication, high level of literacy is required. Now, let's see how to overcome these barriers of verbal communication. To overcome the barriers of verbal communication, we have to keep in mind these points. Use objective, accurate language. Let people finish what they have to say. Rephrase when necessary. Talk peer to peer. Try to eliminate noise and look for feedback. These are the references which will be useful to you for further reading. Thank you very much.
સંધાન ઓલ ગુજરાત ઇન્ટિગ્રેટેડ ક્લાસરૂમ
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.